In the private credit insurance sector, there are some territories such as parts of Africa, Eastern Europe and the Middle East, for example, where cover cannot be offered. So in another recent development, UK Export Finance have just entered the Northern Ireland market, and trade credit brokers have now been appointed as an approved broker for UK Export Finance, which enables us to help clients who need assistance with getting credit insurance cover in territories where the private sector don't operate. There is no doubt that unfortunate recent high-profile administrations have heightened concerns over bad debt and has led to an increase in inquiries about credit insurance. None more so than for the 1,400 or so companies in this creditors listing in my hand for David Patton & Sons Limited. 57, due to the administration, 57 million has been taken out of the local economy by one administration, which is a devastating blow for many of subcontracting SMEs. There's no doubt that the financial fallout over patents will be felt by many local companies for a long time to come, not only for the companies on the list, but also for their suppliers and quite possibly many of their suppliers as well. Now, cynics may point out that insurers withdrew cover on patents well before they went into administration, which is quite true, but that was because of private and confidential market intelligence, which was only made available to the underwriters. And this is a practical example of how the early warning system credit insurance can provide actually working. In other cases, such as McMullen Architectural Systems Limited, many insurers provided cover right up to the point where the administration was announced. Like Keys Commercial Finance, I suppose what called credit brokers to action was the results of the recent survey carried out by BDO on behalf of the Chamber of Commerce, which did confirm that a very, very significant number of Northern Ireland companies were trading unprotected against bad debt, and possibly one bad debt away from folding, which is frightening but a harsh reality nonetheless. Which is why trade credit brokers want to get the positive message about credit insurance out to the SMEs across Northern Ireland and beyond, especially those that may be most vulnerable to suffering a potentially fatal bad debt. In conclusion, I would appeal and encourage all local banks, funders, lenders, accountants, government bodies, and even general insurance brokers, some of which are whom are represented here today, to engage with trade credit brokers and embrace and endorse and promote credit insurance. And let's all of those bodies work together to educate our SMEs and increase their awareness that there are many sustainable and affordable credit insurance options and solutions available. And by working together, I believe we can all provide all of our clients with the necessary tools to help them protect their business against the potentially fatal impact of bad debt.